Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this episode I'm gonna talk about my favorite toy, Nishika N8000. So what is the special about this camera? This camera shoots 3D pictures, but actually it is not a 3D. I just made research about it and it is called a lenticular printing. You guys can google it up if you want to know more about this term. At the end of this video I'm gonna show you guys some of my works that I did in the past few years with this camera. So before that, I'm gonna give you a simple opinion about Nishika N8000. So this camera is made up from fully plastic. It is very light because of the material. I can't remember when I bought this camera, but I bought it about 700 ringgit, and when you convert it, it is about 160 US dollar. But actually at that time you can get this camera for 20 bucks.
Don't ask me if it's worth it or not.
So next, the camera has 4 lenses, which means it can shoot 4 different angles of a subject. I will show you the simple way, not the simple way, I will explain a little bit about the lenticular printing, but I can't show you the whole process because I have problems with Photoshop in my Mac. But I will leave a link right here, a video about the whole process from one of my favorite film photographers. You guys can check it out. All of these photos that I've been shot with my friend. So now let's look a sample right here. Okay, I will drag each photo one by one, and if you guys focus on the blue barrel at the back, you can see that each photo has different angles. Oops. And when you compile all of these photos and focus on one spot, you will get like this. So that is a simple review about this camera from me. I hope you guys like it. Before I show you all the works that I did with this camera from a few years ago, I hope you guys subscribe to the channel, like the video, and see you on the next episode. Ciao.